Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, Sparky deposited 12,500 at his local bank in a special saving account. The account has a simple interest rate of 7% per year. How much interest would the account earn in 8 years? Okay, so what do we know? Well, we know how much money he deposited, right? That's a plus for us. And we also know the interest that the bank actually gives them, and it's a 7% per year. And we also know how many years he's gonna have the account, or he's gonna be waiting for that account to earn some interest, right? Okay, so the very first thing we need to do is we need to know what formula can we use for simple interest. If you look at your formula chart or your reference materials, you will see something that says simple interest. Okay, and the formula is I equals PRT. Okay, so now the question is, what does it mean by I and all those initials, right? So I'm going to write them over here. I, it stands for the interest that my account will earn. Okay, the capital P is the principal. Okay, and no, it's not the school principal. Okay, principal means the amount of money that we are working with. Okay, R is the rate for the interest on the account. Okay, and the T is the time, and of course this needs to be in years. Okay, so let's replace the values that I know. It says how much interest would the account earn, so that's what I'm looking for. I do not know the I, which is the interest. Okay, that's my question. But I do know the principal, right? That's 12,500. Okay, the rate it's 7%. But remember that I am not gonna allow to use 7% on my problem. I need to change the percent to a decimal. Okay, so I can think of 7 over 100, and now I can place that on the calculator, and I will get 0.07. Okay, and the number of years, it says that is 8 years. So I do have enough information to replace, so let's start. I do not know that one. The P I know is 12,500, and I'm going to multiply that by the rate, which I changed to a decimal, and it's 0.07. And the last thing, it's my years, right? And that's 8 years. Okay, so let's see if we can identify here. I don't know how good is this gonna look like, but the T is the time, that's 8 years. The R is the rate, which is 0.07 or 0.7. And the P stands for the principal, which means the money that you are investing or the money that you have. Okay, so if you input all that in the calculator, you will get 7,000. Okay, so what does the 7,000 represent? That doesn't mean how much money is in the account. That's only the extra money that the bank is gonna give you for depositing 12,500. Okay, so this is not how much money is in the bank. Okay, this is only the interest that you earn. So I know what you're thinking. Do you mean that the bank is gonna give me free money? Yes, the bank will give you money if you leave some money with them for a couple of years. Okay, so my answer for this, it is letter A, 7,000, because the question was asking me just how much interest I was gonna earn in there, right?